Hi there, I'm Crazy Dave, and I'd like to talk to you about carbon dioxide. Now, CO2 has a bad name because it's a greenhouse gas, which is bad for the environment. Now, carbon dioxide that is used in fire extinguishers has no impact on the environment whatsoever because it has already been produced from breweries in the brewing process or from various chemical industries that make CO2 as a byproduct. This is captured, stored, and then used as a fire extinguisher later. So it was already on its way to the environment. We merely delayed it. CO2 is stored under pressure as a liquid, but very easily turns to gas when released to atmosphere.
Are you running? Okay,
When warm water is added to dry ice, you can see the rapid expansion. CO2 is a very efficient fire extinguisher agent, where liquids will only form the shape of their container. Expanding gas will completely fill the available space. CO2 extinguishes fire by diluting the atmosphere so there is not sufficient oxygen to support combustion. Although CO2 is an asphyxiant, a well-designed system poses no danger, as humans can be quite safely exposed to concentrations up to 5% by volume. CO2 has a long history. It was first changed from a gas to a liquid by compression by Humphrey Davis and Michael Faraday back in 1823. As can be seen from this machine shop security camera footage, Firetrace CO2 systems are very quick and clean and leave no residue. This food quality CO2 gas is the same stuff that goes hiss when you open a Coke can and puts the froth on the top of your beer. And as it has already been captured from atmosphere, its release has no additional environmental impact. In the design quantities required for CNC machines, it's quite safe to discharge in the presence of personnel. Let me repeat, Firetrace CO2 systems are designed to be green, clean, and safe to use.